today's video I'll be showing you how to clean your C drive. So as you know, if you have been using your PC for quite some time, you know it accumulates junk files, all those things that you don't need, meaning taking up a lot of space. So let me show you how you can fix that, and also how you can clear your storage. And you see, after this video you might even end up like freeing up like 10 or 15 GB from your C drive. So the way you can do this is press your Windows key, then I want you to search for something which is disk clean. So just type in disk and you should see disk cleanup like that. So once you see this disk cleanup, just click on it, then you should see this small icon pop up on your screen. So this disk cleanup here, you can select the disk that you want. So we'll base our interest on the C drive. Okay, so now when you click on OK, you see to scan for files like that, and it will bring this dialog. So from here you want to pay attention on something. As you can see here, the files look smaller. Like this one, it's like saying 777 MBs. You've seen nothing too major. My recycle bin I've discovered is 5.25 GB. So there's one thing I want you to do first before I start, which is clicking on clean up system files. That's where the magic happens. Again, you want to click OK, then it will search for all the files on your system. So here it will search for deep files, and as you can see now, you will see here we have Windows Update Cleanup, this junk we don't need, of which is 3.2 GB. Okay, so you want to tick that. Okay, then also under certain files that you can tick, and you most of it, there's no harm to your PC because some of these things will regenerate with time. So I can also click this. Okay, then here you want to select all these files that you don't need, like temporary files, internet files like that, or all these like cache, like this cache. So all these caches you can delete because optimize, as you can see, that you can tick. So the only thing like recycle bin, I need to tick that. As you can see, from just what we've ticked, I'm going to free up 9 GB from my PC. So if you scroll all the way down, you can see everything that you need to untick. Then once you do that, you want to click on OK. So then it will ask you that it's going to permanently delete these files that you've selected. So meaning it will delete whatever is in your recycle bin, whatever is in your caches and everything. So before you go through this method of deleting everything, make sure that on your PC itself, in your recycle bin, there is nothing that you would want to recover again, because once you do this, it will clean your recycle bin as well. So you want to make sure that while you are here, check your recycle bin and make sure that there's nothing that you need in the recycle bin. Then once you're comfortable, then let's click delete. So now we'll click delete files, and then we'll leave it to do its thing. So I'll use Windows E to just bring up my menu here, as you can see. So I'll go to this PC, and at the moment we have 25.3 GB, right? So we'll wait for it to finish. So I'll do this, we'll wait for this to finish, and then you'll see what will be the new storage size. So at least I'm expecting to have 30 point something GB out of this because of what we've just done. So this might take time. You just need to leave it so that it finishes cleaning up your disk. And this is very important, and you'll see that your speed and performance will also increase. So this is just another example of how you can clean your C drive. And also there's another way of using, like pressing Windows R like that and typing in percentage sign and then temp like that, then another percentage sign. When you press enter, this is where you find all the temporary files. As you can see, all these are temporary files that needs to be cleaned from your disk. So as you can see from what we've done here, it's going to clean these temporary files because we also selected clean temporary files. So all this is going to remove this junk, and it will start afresh, because all these things are things that regenerate. They have no harm to your PC. Let's wait for it to finish, and then we'll continuing with the video. So it was done. We are just rescanning to just double check the things we're from doing. So as you can see, I just reran the actual system scan, and as you can see now we have less. As you can see, all the recycle bin is now set to 0, so meaning our disk has been successfully cleaned. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more PC tips. See you in the next video.